Welcome to Your House with Cody Waitman. This is episode 2 of a 4-part series on how to set up your new home for safety and comfort. Today we're going to talk about main shutoffs, water, gas, and electrical, electric circuit panels, and fireplaces. Let's get started.
In case of a gas emergency where you need to turn the gas off, find the gas meter, usually installed next to the house. In some cases they're in the alleys behind the house. You'll find the control. You'll need to use a channel lock or other wrench. Turn it clockwise to turn it off, lining up the holes. To turn it back on, simply turn it counterclockwise till it stops. To turn off the electrical power, you'll find a separate breaker on the electrical panel for the main. On newer model homes, the electrical main power is located on the exterior of the house next to the actual meter. Here you go. On some older model houses, probably pre-1980s, there will not be a single breaker to shut off power to the entire house. So you'll need to shut off the top 4 breakers to shut off power to the entire house.
This is what the water main looks like on this property. You can see it's got a blue cover. Some will mostly have black covers, or they'll have the round metal covers. Now, what you want to do is look in here and find the meter. And honestly, before you move in, you want to come check the meter and make sure that when there's no water running in the house, that the dial is not moving. That'll give you an indication that there's no leak, at least between the meter and the property. One other thing you want to do is buy a tool that looks like this. This is a T-bar, it's what I call it. You can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, and it's got a special end on it, specifically designed to open and close the water meter. And what you do is you just apply it here. When the holes are not lined up, it's open. When the holes are brought together, it is closed. That way the city or water company can put a lock on it.
You'll also want to buy a water meter lid key or a combination tool depending on the lid your water meter has. In newer homes, you can find the water main control in the garage or laundry room. You simply turn the water on and off with the lever you see displayed here. All electrical panel circuit breakers should be properly labeled. But in the case of buying a resale house, you may find that the electrical panel breakers are not properly labeled. You will want to get the breakers properly labeled so that you can always turn off a breaker quickly in the case of an emergency. This unfortunately may require you hiring an electrician to determine the locations that each breaker supplies power to. If you built your own home, then your fireplace should look like this. If you purchased a resale house, then your fireplace may look like this. In this case, it's suggested that you hire a professional chimney sweep to assess the chimney and make sure it's safe to properly use. You will also want to inspect the top of the chimney to make sure that it has a proper protection against rain and animal infestation. Without a proper chimney cap, water and animals can easily get into the chimney, causing water and infestation damage.
This video went a little bit long, but we hope we were able to help you understand the importance of knowing where all your mains are, water, gas, and electric. Knowing the importance of having your electric panel, all the breakers properly labeled. And finally, knowing the importance of fireplace and chimney safety. If this information was helpful to you, we ask that you please like and subscribe to the channel so that we can continue to bring you this content so that we can help you in the future turn your house into a proper home. And did you know the reason why they charge you to air up your tires at a gas station? Inflation. As always, be blessed and be a blessing. Thank you.